Hey everyone, welcome to or back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be doing a fall evening routine, just like an ideal fall cozy night in my life. I almost didn't film this video, but I posted a poll and a lot of you guys said you wanted to see a fall night routine. I hope you guys enjoyed this fall night routine. Definitely give it a big thumbs up if you do. Comment below the best part of your night routine. Let's just get into it. I'm working at a coffee shop. I never ever do this. I wanted to actually leave my apartment. I got this iced caramel popcorn drink, I think is what it is. It's so good. Like such perfect weather outside. It's like so nice. 83 degrees, but like kind of cloudy. So I'm just planning out some content for like the holiday season, November, December. Also planning out some outfits for an upcoming outfit video. Now I'm back home. I literally just picked off all my nails, so don't mind my nails. I don't have an appointment till later this week. When I finish up work for the day, I feel like that's when my evening routine begins. One of the first things I like to do is just to kind of tidy up my space. So I like to just take 10-15 minutes, especially my desk, or if I've been filming fashion content, just getting all that hung up and put away so I don't have random clutter when I go to start work the next morning. I also like to make a to-do list for the next day. Anything that I didn't get done that I need to like push until tomorrow, I'll just make like a little to-do list. That's the first thing I'm gonna do, and then I'm just gonna get started on dinner. I just took like 10 or 15 minutes to kind of reset my space. I like to do this at the end of the workday, just take 10-15 minutes to just kind of do a quick clean of my apartment. Today, I'm mostly focused on my desk. Sometimes I'll put laundry away, pick up the kitchen, put packages away, hang up clothes if I'm filming fashion content. It kind of depends on the day, but I like to just take 10 minutes and just get done what I can get done. Now that my space is reset and cozy, I'm just gonna get started on dinner. I'm gonna make this Halloween spooky pizza. I've never made homemade pizza before, so I hope it turns out okay. Cuter than I was expecting. It's so cute, I don't want to cut into it. I am hungry, so let's taste it. Let's taste. I really hope this is good. Overall, this is pretty good. The sauce is really good. The Rayo sauce that I use, it's like garlic tomato or something. I feel like the crust kind of ruined it. It's like not very crispy. I would give this like a 6 or 7 out of 10, but maybe an extra point for cuteness. It's okay. It's not like the best pizza I've ever had. I think if the crust was a little thinner and I would have rolled it out more, it would have been crispier, but it's not bad. Now I'm just gonna clean up the kitchen. There's really not much to clean up. This was a pretty easy meal. I'm also gonna make some cinnamon rolls. I feel like cinnamon rolls are just so fall. I wanna make some of those to have in the morning. A little bit later, the kitchen is all cleaned up and cinnamon rolls are in the oven. While I'm waiting for them to cook, I'm just gonna do my skincare routine, change into my pajamas and just get comfy so I can relax and watch the rest of the movie. I'm watching Little Women. I feel like that is a must watch for fall and winter. It's just so cozy. It's been a while since I've watched it and it's one of my favorite movies. If you guys haven't watched it, you definitely need to add it to your list. I want to watch some of the older Little Women's, like the one with Winona Ryder. I just love the most recent one so much. I'm just gonna do my skincare routine. Got a couple new products from Tatcha and a PR package. I've been wanting to try their skincare for so long, so I'm gonna use this cleanser and this milk moisturizer, and I'm also gonna use this clearance double serum. the feeling of taking my makeup off, putting on my skincare. It's hard to relax and watch a movie when you know you have to take your makeup off. And having some breakouts. As you can see, I just put a little pimple patch here. This cystic pimple has literally been on my face for like 2 weeks. Now I'm just gonna take my contacts out. Like I just can't rest and relax when I have to take my contacts out. So pajamas are on, skincare is done. I feel like this looks a little weird, but I literally cannot see without my glasses. Just a blob, can't see. I think my cinnamon rolls are done, so I'm gonna take those out of the oven, put the frosting on. Made the cinnamon rolls, no baking whatsoever. I have to share something sad with you about cinnamon rolls. I was making cinnamon rolls when I found out that Liam died. Now cinnamon rolls are just associated with that. It literally just makes me sad to make them, to eat them. That was the last time I made cinnamon rolls, and it was about this time last year. I'm just feeling a bit sad. Let's taste one of the cinnamon rolls though. This is like a sweet treat for tonight and then also breakfast. So good, but so sad. I can't watch when she finds out that she burned the book.
No use, Joe. Joe, we gotta have it out.
This movie always makes me cry. I finished watching Little Women. See why I don't watch it very often, because that movie just, it literally makes me cry. The end is just like so bittersweet, I guess. That is everything for my night routine. I really hope you enjoyed. Definitely give a big thumbs up if you did. Comment below the best part of your night routine. Thank you so much for watching. Comment this emoji if you stayed until the end of the video, and I will see you in a couple days for the next one. Bye.